Watsonville, California.
4 Alpha Victor, 123.45.
134 Zulu.
Yep.
Wind 340 at 10. Peak gusts 17. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear.
Ah, et ils vont pas te croire, toi, parce que en fait, il fait des vérifications avant le décollage.
Ok, so parachute il est là, ok, j'enlève la goupille, ok, donc s'il y a un problème, c'est s'il faut prendre le parachute là et puis à fond, tu tires.
Tire à fond.
Voilà. Mais bon, c'est dans le cas où je suis incapacité. Hein,
Il vient de montrer où était le parachute.
Tu les montres là, tu peux les montrer là.
Watsonville traffic, Heligometer 180, long final, runway
ah oui, regarde.
02.
Je crois que j'ai la diarrhée.
Oui, merde, c'est le cas de le dire.
Bon, ça y est, on se
Runway
dirige
02 is
vers
clear.
le décollage.
Ah, on attend que lui atterrisse.
Hein? T'attends que le train y passe?
Faut qu'il atterrisse lui d'abord. Ok, alors, je vais regarder celle qui est sur le... On va secouer un peu parce qu'il y a du vent, mais... Western Traffic, Class Porter 1564, taking off from runway 02 for a left downwind departure to the coast, Watsonville. Alright guys, so we'll do a little tour today to Santa Cruz with my brother here, Chef Bruno.
Tu peux donner mon adresse de...
Yeah, ouais, tu souriras tout à l'heure. Que là, t'as la caméra sur la tête. 50 knots. Ça secoue un peu, comme prévu. Western Traffic, Class Porter 1564, left crosswind 02, Watsonville. Tu vois la piste là à gauche?
Bien.
Western Traffic, Class Porter 1564, left downwind 20, 02, Watsonville. Western Traffic, Class Porter 1564, leaving the area to the southwest, Watsonville, 1,200 feet. Alright, so it's a little bumpy today, but the skies are pretty clear, so hopefully we'll get nice footage. Okay, so we are above the coastline right now, 1,200 feet.
Watsonville traffic, this is Cardinal 52987, radio check please. 5-5. Thank you.
Western Traffic, let's port 164 is 4 miles to the northwest along the coastline, Santa Cruz, 1,200 feet, Watsonville. Alright guys, so I am with Chef Bruno here. You can say hi.
Bonjour.
Chef Bruno is in Santa Cruz for this long weekend, and he decided to go for a ride with us. It's a little bumpy today because it's pretty windy on the ground, but the skies are very clear. So hopefully we'll get some nice footage for you guys today. And we are going right now about 100 knots ground speed. And I have 26 knot crosswind from my right. So we are moving like a crab. Can you see that? Hein? On avance comme un crabe.
I like crabs.
Parce qu'on a du vent qui arrive.
I love crabs.
Ah, you like crab, okay. So Chef Bruno cooks crabs and likes crabs.
Yeah. I like seafood in general. If you don't know what to do, guys, you can always check my website and get some nice recipe for the holidays. Between two flights. That's gorgeous though, today. Beautiful day. Super clear, neat. You can see very far away. All of the coast is beautiful. I'm sure they are taking a nap now.
And we have a bird here, 1,000 feet.
Oh, that's where we had seafood earlier, right? At the pier?
Yep.
I guess your home is not far away.
Yeah, I'll show you when we fly by. So you should look over there. I don't know if you can spot it.
Oh,
you first have to spot a green patch of grass.
Well, I can see your cat.
You see a green patch? Yeah, I think we're a little further, so it's probably more. Yeah, it's over there.
Yeah.
Over there. You see the pink alley?
Yes.
I'm just going to make a 180-degree turn here. If you look toward the wings, the extremity of the l'aile.
Oh yes, okay. I got it.
See that?
Yeah. Oh, very nice.
Okay, let's go to the right tank. So I'm just going to do a short tour today. It's a little too windy to go over the mountains there.
You want to try to go to Mexico? There's a nice wall over there.
We can fly over it.
Not
Okay, there is a helicopter over there.
Oh, where?
Can you see it? It's pretty much underneath us. Yeah, let me climb a little bit to be sure, to be safe. But yeah, let me see if I can see it. It's like on my left here. Yep, I see it. You see it here? Yep.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yep. Helicopter on our left here. Alright, so I can go back to, let's say, 1,300 feet here.
Un klaxon là-dessus?
Non. So Chef Bruno came over to cook some nice meal for us, including Yule log, very yummy Yule log.
Do you remember the flavor?
Yeah, like chestnut, chocolate.
Cannot be wrong with that one.
I will put a link on the video for you guys to go check his recipe and yummy food. Chef Bruno is one of the best pastry chefs in France. And in California, definitely.
Santa Cruz. San Diego. I live in San Diego, by the way. It's not that far away.
So we're cruising along here at about 80 knots. We still have 20 knot crosswind from the left side right now. That's pushing us offshore. And we have a lot of updraft and downdraft.
Watsonville, California. Automated weather observation 2159er Zulu. Wind 340 at 14. Peak gusts 25. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 16 Celsius. Dew point -02 Celsius. Altimeter 3008. Remarks. Density altitude 100.
Western traffic, let's port to 164, entering left 45 for runway 02, Westernville.
Watsonville traffic, Cessna departing runway 2, the right turn out, Watsonville.
Western traffic, let's port 164, left downwind midfield, runway 02, Watsonville. Rafale devant. Western traffic, let's port 1564, turning left, base 02, Watsonville. You see the runway on the left?
Watsonville traffic, helicopter 18 kilo, we're actually going to be continuing southbound over the coastline, 1,000 feet. We're abeam Watsonville right now.
Western traffic, let's port 1564, turning final, runway 02, number 1, Watsonville, full stop.
Watsonville traffic, Coast Guard helicopter is over Moss Beach and will be 500 feet and a little bit inland, coastline northbound.
So helicopter 18 kilo is over the coastline 1,000 feet southbound. We are about half a mile
28 knots.
on the ocean side.
Going to put 20 degrees of flap, but not more.
And Coast Guard helicopter
Watch for the bird.
Helicopter traffic.
Are you guys by Moss landed?
Affirmative, sir.
Roger.
Knots, 55. Okay, 0 flaps. Let's check the wind here.
16 Celsius. Dew point -02 Celsius. Altimeter 3008. Remarks. Density altitude 100. Watsonville Municipal Airport, Watsonville, California. Automated weather observation 2206 Zulu. Wind 350 at 09er. Peak gusts 25.
Helicopter 18 kilo.
Okay, so 09er, 35, so yeah, we had a nice crosswind, but we didn't get a gust.
You too, sir.
So you see the windsock here? That tells you where the wind is coming from. You see it's coming from like this. So what we want when we land is we want to have the wind in front of us, not on the side. Because if it is on the side, it's going to push us. You see what I mean?
Tu recommences?
So Chef Bruno wants another takeoff and landing. Well, I guess that's going to be okay for today. It was a tricky landing. That's enough for Chef Bruno for today.
Yeah, it was fun.
Was fun, yep.
Sure.
Hopefully we got some nice footage for you guys and not too bumpy, or we'll see how stable the footage is. Okay, see you guys next time.
See you. Thank you.